Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my Supreme sticker collection. So I've been collecting stickers for many years now. It's a big passion of mine, and Supreme stickers have always stood out to me. So these are some of my favorite stickers. So let me just get on to showing you. So guys, before we start, please do hit the subscribe button and please do like this video, and if you like, please drop a comment. So let's get on to showing you the stickers. So check this out. This is one of some of my favorite stickers. Yeah, these are really cool. So if you can see here, these are some of the stickers. This is shoes up, okay, and this is a really cute one. So some of these stickers are quite rare, and I was fortunate enough to get some of them. Okay, so look at this. How cool is this? Okay, so once I show you a few, and I'll just keep some to the side over here so you can see the others. Check this out. How dope is this? This is a Bruce Lee one, Supreme Bruce Lee. How cool is this? So these are actual stickers, so you can just stick them anywhere, and I don't really remove the sticky part because I'm so passionate about them. It's just my collection, so I just keep on collecting more and more, as many as I can get. These are quite cool, right? So let's look at what else we have here. Look at this. It's a minion. It's a fire emoji. This, I don't know why, but this is like such a cool sticker. I really like this one. So I have more of these. I have like, so if you comment below, I might actually give you one. Look at this. This is so weird. Check this out, guys. Super cool. So this is like those olden days cartoons that you had, or a comic book sticker. So this is really cool as well. Supreme hands. So this is like, I think this is the Supreme Pepsi collection. I don't remember if it's the Pepsi one, but it's really cool. Supreme helmet one. Oh, this is cool. This looks like the Vans. I don't know why. How cool is this guy? So this is like a Korean heart. So these are the box logo stickers. Now you get a lot of these. These are, but this is, I think, like the Van Gogh one. So check this out. Supreme car. This reminds me of the cartoon movie. I forgot what exactly the cartoon movie name was. Supreme Louis Vuitton. This is another cool one. Look at this. This is Lady Gaga. This is Charlie Chaplin. Very cool. These are really cool. I don't know why. Okay, so guys, that's it for part 1. If you want to watch part 2 and see the remaining part of my collection, please do check out the link in the comment section. And as I said, if you comment on my video, I will give you one of the stickers from here. I will package it and ship it to you for free.